Shanghai Haosan Garments Company Limited was founded in 2010. We have been in women apparel for 11 years, and we are very professional on women's dress, tops, jumpsuit, pants, and skirt. We are famous for our superior quality, competitive prices, first-class craft works, safe package, and prompt delivery. We can provide professional service as we have an experienced service team here. This team has over 50 staffs covering different departments. Most of them focus on fabric and apparel over 10 years. Our sales amount is $30 million per year, and our cooperate factory monthly production capacity is over 600,000 units. Products cover both knit and woven clothes for ladies. We are located in Shanghai with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. At least 300 styles women dresses and tops be designed and produced yearly. Our products sell well in North America. Most of our styles have certain quantities stock ready to ship. We also provide OEM services and accept customized orders as well. Whether selecting a current product from our shop or seeking original equipment manufacturer, we will supply much better products with diversified design and professional services. If you have a new concept for our products, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.